Have you seen those beautiful AI studio photos all over Instagram and TikTok and you're wondering how people create them? In today's video, I will show you how to create amazing AI studio photos without hiring a photographer or using expensive editing software. Make sure you watch to the end because I will share a few tips that can help your photos look more realistic. So let's begin. The first thing I do is to find inspiration. I usually open Pinterest and search for things like birthday photo shoot, boss lady photo shoot, corporate headshot, luxury photo shoot. So take your time and look for a style that you like. Once you find a photo that catches your attention, click the three dots and download it to your gallery. Remember, we are using the image only as inspiration. Now, let's move to the next step. Next, open ChatGPT. Click the plus icon. Click on photo and upload the inspirational photo that you saved from Pinterest. Click add. Then paste this prompt. Describe this image in detail and create a professional AI image prompt that can recreate this style. Then click on the send arrow. ChatGPT will analyze the image and generate a detailed prompt for you. The prompts usually include things like the person pose, clothing style, lighting setup, background detail, camera angle, facial expression, photo quality. Do you understand? Now once ChatGPT generates the prompt, copy it. We will use it in the next step. Now open Gemini. It will bring you to this interface. Click on the plus icon to upload a photo of yourself. Now for the best result, use a photo that is bright, clear, and shows your face properly. Now after uploading your photo, use the uploaded image, paste the detailed prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Tap the arrow to generate. Gemini will combine your photos with the prompt and create a new AI image based on the style you selected. Now when the image is ready, click on it and download the image to your phone. Now let's make the photo even better by removing the Gemini logo. Download Snapseed from your Play Store. Open Snapseed and import your AI generated image. Then click on the image, click on add. Now click on tools. You can use tools like Tune Image, Details, Portrait, and Healing. These tools can help improve brightness, sharpness, and overall quality. So to remove the logo, click on Healing. Then tap on the logo. And that is it. Then click on this check mark. Then tap on Export. To save the image to your gallery, click on Save. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.